Unbox shower door. Use level to find plumb. Mark screw hole locations. Drill holes in tile with diamond hole saw. Drill slow, keeping bit cool with water. Measure for bottom plate. Cut to length with carbide blade miter saw. Measure and cut top guide rail. Add silicone to corners. Add silicone to back side of bottom plate. Place bottom plate in center. Fill holes with silicone. Add silicone around back side of holes. Stand up sides. Screw into studs with 3-inch screws through bumpers. Add screw cover cap. Install 3 lower guide blocks. Rest overhead guide rails onto sides. Attach rollers to glass doors. Rollers go here. Lift doors into upper guide rail, then lower onto guide blocks. Attach shower door handles.